Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to be doing my Stitch Fix for June. I had this old t-shirt on, I just put my hair up, I was going to go running and it started to rain, so I thought let me just get my Stitch Fix done and see what I got so everybody can see it, and I'll have it all ready for you guys, and hopefully when I'm done doing this it will be done raining, but I doubt it. It's pretty dark and I hope my lighting is okay. There's Choppy sitting there with his Kong full of peanut butter and a milk bone. Piper's over there too. I got my scissors and I got my Stitch Fix box. It's super light, so let's see what it is. Okay, you guys, this feels like it's gonna be hard to open. I'm gonna flip it over. All right, put that bad boy down. Here's the envelope for those of you who don't know about this. It's already got prepaid stuff on it. You just put it all back in the bag and take it to your post office. It's all ready to go. We'll put that down. Here's the bundle. Here's my Stitch Fix informative to tell me everything that I have. Piper is kind of going nuts because it is storming and she doesn't like the thunder. Okay, you guys. So this first thing is like kind of a lace top. Cute arms on it. All the way down. And then the back is a zipper. Kind of a rayon material, not really. It's by Market and Spruce. Alright, so that's the first top. Piper's nervous. She's trying to get on my lap. It's okay, honey. Piper, no. Piper, no. It's okay, sweetie. Piper, no. Okay. I gotta put her on my lap. Okay, come here. Okay. She's on my lap. She's so nervous. And it's not even doing that much, but she is so scared. Okay. Second top. Ooh, this one's really cute. It's, I'll get it real close. So it's kind of like a little blue and white plaid check with little blue dots and cute little tie arms, and they're only half sleeves. No, don't bark. And this is the front. And it goes all the way down like this. And it's kind of a short top. It doesn't go very long. Piper, honey, you're okay. She's shaking. It's okay, Pipes. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. All right. All right. I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, you guys, I'm back. So the next top, Piper's still on my lap though. Oh, cute. I think it's a dress. Yes. So it's got short sleeves, buttons on the front, and it's a t-shirt dress. And this is by Market and Spruce also. Huh. And it's black. I thought it was navy, but it's black. And it's striped. Okay. Cute. Next thing, it looks like a pair of shorts. Wow, really cute. It's a cute pattern on that. And I think, let's see. Oh, there's no zipper. Huh. They just must pull on. I don't see a zipper or anything, and there's nothing around the waist. It's just kind of a stretchy waist. And it's got, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little pocket back here. Yeah, so these are the shorts. Let me see who these are by. And they're made to slim you. And they're just, they say Stitch Fix exclusive. And it's just a flower print. And all it has, oh, sorry you guys. It's a Margaret M. And the color is called black, but there's lots of other colors in it. So I guess they think the black is the main color. But it says black. Oh, there is one more thing. White jeans. And they're 7 for all mankind. Here's the backs. Here's the front. It's got like gold hardware. Look at that. Yeah, it's got gold hardware because it's got little grommets on the back and they're all in gold. And I'll show you the bottom. So they're not really a tight leg. They're like a slight flare and they're called Gen 7. Every jean offers a consistent figure flattering silhouette for the woman with timeless style. And they're called Gen 7s. Slim straight. Okay, you guys, let me go and try these on. Piper and I, she's sitting on my lap. The storm has kind of calmed down so she's not so wild. So I'll see if I can try these on. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, here's the first outfit and this is the dress. And I'm doing this on my stairs because my lighting in the bedroom is just terrible. So I'll back up a little bit more and so you can see the whole thing. Yeah, this is the dress. This is the side, but you know it's a t-shirt dress. So it kind of, you know, doesn't lay totally flat. And then this is a close-up. Sorry. I haven't done this with my camera in my hand in a long time. But so this is the whole view. And I've got the shoes on that I did from Mindy May's Market. So I just have the shoes on with that and I'll do a video on that so you guys can see everything. But yeah, so this is the first dress. I mean, this is cute just for running around in. I'm curious to see the price. All right, you guys, next outfit. You guys, next stuff that I have on is that top. It's got a little slip on it. It's a little boxy, but it's not bad. There's the sleeves. It's not bad, but I will say it's a little boxy. And then here are the shorts. And I'll back up so you can see them. Oof. They're not bad shorts. They're really super stretchy. Look at that. Like they've got a ton of stretch on them. Really stretchy. Really cute. I'll show you the shorts as close as I can. And then there's my shoes. So I probably wouldn't wear these two together just because this top is so boxy. It's cute though. I don't know, you guys. Tell me what you think. And I'm gonna bring the camera down to the shorts so you can just see the pattern really good. So that's the pattern on them. Okay, there's Piper. Yeah, okay. So that's the shorts. I don't know. Shorts are really cute. Like I said, they're really stretchy. Really cute. And they've got this nice waistband, so they're really stretchy. And this shirt's got a slip, so it might be kind of hot, but not bad. Okay, next outfit, you guys. Okay, you guys, outfit number 3. Here's that cute top. There's the pants. And you guys, these pants are perfect length. So they get good with those shoes. But you guys, my legs are too big for white pants. That's why I don't like to wear white pants. My legs are just too big. I've got to lose some of these thighs. The back pocket is real. It's really stretchy. They're really cute jeans. They're just not for me. And then here's the top. It's a really cute top. I don't mind it, but it's a little short. I'm just gonna pull it so you can see, like if I was to tuck it in, how it would look. Not bad. It's really kind of cute. And these sleeves are adorable, aren't they? Adorable. That's really cute. I wish it was like just a cute little top with these cute sleeves, like it didn't have to. I mean, I suppose you can wear the top up like this, but these kind of tops, they kind of make you look really breasty. But it's a really cute top. Look at those clothes over there, sorry. Threw everything all over. But yeah, I'm loving the arms on those. You can't see the little bow very good. Just adorable. And I'll back up again so you can see the whole outfit. Like I said, not digging the jeans, they're just, nope. My legs are too big, but they are a perfect length, you guys. Oh, too bad. White jeans I think are hard to wear if you're thigh heavy. All right, you guys, let's go find out how much this stuff was, okay? Okay, you guys, so let's find out how much this stuff is. You get your Oh Hello, and it tells you how you compare stuff up. It's really a cute little guide. All right, and I kept the shirt on, and I've got the jeans on also. Okay, first on the list is Market and Spruce Hands Crochet front top. So that's the white top. That was this one. That's $58. Not bad. Not bad. I don't know if I'd buy it, but you know, you get stuff in the mail, so that's why you get it. I mean, like I said, if you're in the store, you probably, if you didn't think you'd like something, you probably wouldn't try it on. But here, when you get it and it's sent to you, you try it on because you never know. Next thing is the Slim Straight Leg Jeans by 7, and they're called Jean 7. Those are $99. I'm really surprised. 7 for All Mankind. They're under $100. The CC Sportswear Raven Off the Shoulder, and that's what this is, light blue, $68. This is really cute. 68 bucks. The Market and Spruce t-shirt dress in black, 64. Huh. Okay. And then the Margaret M. Lee printed shorts, $68. Nothing was over 100, which usually all my stitches, there's at least 3 things that are over 100. So everything was under $100. So my total came to $247, and that's with the $20 off. Otherwise, it's $267. If I send everything, well, I'll have to pay $20. Excuse me. I'll have to pay $20 if I send everything back. If I keep at least one thing, I'll get $20 off. Otherwise, if I keep everything, remember, $267, I'll pay $247. It's between, I like this shirt and I like the dress because you can just put it on. You can wear it with like your little flip-flops or anything. And the shorts are kind of cute, but I'm not big on shorts like that short. I mean, those were short. Those are like young girl shorts. I don't think I'd get the shorts, but they are adorable. So I think either the dress or this top is a keeper. What do you guys think? And once you start sending me comments, I'll let you know what I kept. But I'm still really indecisive. Thanks, you guys, for coming over to my channel. Please like and subscribe. I'm glad you came over. And if you like these Stitch Fixes, let me know. I'll talk to you at another time. Bye-bye.